Rescued from a life
candy
into
into the pinata.
still missing,
Hey guys.
and the search for survivors continues on the deadliest catch.
Where's Mikami? Yeah, Mikami. He's here. And he's going to help me fill the candy box for my own birthday. Hey, Mikami. I bet people didn't know that we were friends. Nah, people would never guessed it. That's because he's not really my friend. Anyway, we're going back inside here. Ready to put it in the candy, Miki?
That's my cat.
Since the Opelio Crab fleet set out to sea,
That's a nice
a drama has played out on every radio.
I'm putting candy inside my own pinata.
Hoping for a
That's
hit to
nice.
It's supposed to be like a surprise for me. Figure out what's inside.
And the second,
Yeah.
survival suit.
We're going to beat it up and say that we're killing home.
The details are sketchy. The survivors can
Kill you. Kill you. Kill you. We're going to kill you.
then quickly went to 90. Several minutes later, she sank.
That's a whole bunch of candy.
Yeah.
Where'd you get so much candy?
Shipmates went into the 37-degree
by.
water without survival suits.
Poor old man.
They had no chance. Search is focused on the sixth man in a survival suit somewhere in the
Should put it over your mouth.
The Maverick is joined by several other folks, including the Stimson, an Alaska State Trooper vessel.
That box represents you. We're going to beat the crap out of you. Oh, yes, we are. What? I am saying something. I'm saying that's a beautiful box.
But right now, one of
Yeah.
the vessels is still in the water, and that's all that
And then
matters.
we're going to beat it up. Kill you. Hmm?
What? No. You may hold it while you don't.
No.
I'll just take it nice and easy, keep your eyes peeled.